If you like to go high and you like to go fast, I've got two words for you: turbocharged. Hey everyone, May K. Bueller here for Carolina Aircraft. Now you know we specialize in only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Well, today I've got a 1987 turbocharged B36 to tell you about. Let's get started. So let's check out your engine. This is a Teledyne Continental TSIO 520 300 horsepower turbocharged engine. About 608 hours on the engine since overhaul. And check this out, a 3-blade hot prop. So let's talk about fuel and speed. When it comes to flying this bird to your business or dream destination, we have 102 gallons of usable fuel on board. Now, if you like to go fast and you like to go up high, we can fly at 20,000 feet at speeds up to 190 knots, yes. And oh yes, we do have built-in oxygen on board. The paint scheme on Bonanza 38 Papa Kilo is Matterhorn white on the top with gray bottom and blue striping in very good condition. Total time on the aircraft since new, about 3,010 hours. Of course, we have the large cargo doors we love about the Bonanza. Now, when it comes to your passengers, the seating configuration is versatile. So right now the seats are set up in the club seating configuration, but we can change that around if everybody wants to face forward, or let's say you have a lot to stow and you don't want the seats back here, we can remove a seat or stow it. Don't need any tools. Check this out. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're in business. So come on in and have a seat with me. Let's check out the interior. We've got tan leather seats, gray carpeting. We also have sheepskin inserts on the front seats. You can check out this executive writing desk. It's in perfect condition. We have G&D tinted windows, and we also have shoulder harnesses for all the seats. More features you'll appreciate about this aircraft: factory air conditioning. The aircraft is ADS-B 2020 compliant. You will enjoy the Skywatch active traffic, chart view, intercom system, Insight G3 color graphic engine monitor, and more. Let's check out the flight deck for Bonanza 38 Papa Kilo. Your primary flight display, it's a Garmin G600 with synthetic vision. We also have a GNS 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, a Garmin 430 GPS Navcom with WAAS, Garmin XM Weather, that's displayed on the 530 and the 430, as well as the storm scope, Transponder Garmin GTX 330 ES, that's with ADS-B out, and we have a second transponder, that's a King backup transponder. King ADF DME. Also, the Autopilot is a King KFC 150 Autopilot with yaw damp, altitude, and vertical speed pre-select, select. Some extra features you'll appreciate about this Bonanza: co-pilot's altimeter, artificial horizon, and DG. The pilot has a standby altimeter, airspeed indicator, and attitude indicator. There is built-in oxygen on board, a door steward, and leather-wrapped control wheels. So if you're looking for an aircraft with a lot of get up and go, this 1987 turbocharged B36 might be the perfect bird for you. Now remember, we do have factory air conditioning on board. We do have factory oxygen installed. Imagine you could fly at flight levels 200 at 190 knots. The aircraft is ADS-B compliant. We have a wonderful flight deck on board, nice paint, and beautiful interior. So give us a call. We are at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We're Carolina Aircraft, and we look forward to seeing you. I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.